National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, southeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, southeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:36 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Marshallton to Elkton to Canadaville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Elkton, Norristown, Chester, West Deptford, West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, Yadden, Westtown, Woodbury, Carneys Point, Downingtown, Conshohocken, and Hatboro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 23. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 2. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 19. Pennsylvania Turnpike between exits 320 and 343. Northeast extension near exit A20. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile marker... This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Station. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, Wicomico County in southeastern Maryland, Worcester County in southeastern Maryland, eastern Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland, until 10:45 a.m. At 9:37 a.m., showers with embedded severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Agnark to near Vienna to 10 miles west of Deal Island, moving east to northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hurlick and Vienna around 9:45 a.m. Sharptown around 9:50 a.m. Princess Anne, University of Maryland Eastern Shore and Westover around 10:05 a.m. Salisbury, Fruitland and Salisbury University around 10:15 a.m. Parsonsburg around 10:25 a.m. Newark around 10:30 a.m. Berlin and Ocean Pines around 10:40 a.m. Cape Isle of Wight around 10:45 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Brookview, Ocean City Municipality, Trinity, Cocosberry, Eden, Longridge, Mount Vernon, Chesapeake Heights, Pittsville, and Powellville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @WakefieldBA. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 10:15 a.m. At 9:39 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Barksdale, or over Newark, moving north southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Elkton, Chester, Pennsville, Westtown, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Swedesboro, Newport, Arden, Stanton, Cheney, Glasgow, Tolleyville, Elam, Chelsea, and Greenville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 95 in Maryland between mile markers 105 and 109. New Jersey Turnpike near exit 2. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 23. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware, and Cecil, Maryland, and the severe thunderstorm